Get annoyed handling any mechanical inspection, automotive maintenance, or basin pipeline checking tasks? Then keep the best inspection camera by your side and get ready to play. However, an inspection camera provides the sharpest video and images whether you're doing any mechanical inspection, automotive maintenance, plumbing fixes, house DIY, and many more tasks. So in today's video, we'll show you the 5 best inspection cameras with uncountable convenient features to level up your inspections. So without further ado, let's dive in.
From DIY projects to product reviews and hacks, Tool Zone is where we test all sorts of gear to offer the most unbiased reviews you'll find anywhere, so that you can make well-informed purchase decisions while avoiding getting ripped off.
Check all the pipes, cavities, or hard-to-reach areas with the RIDGID CA25, the best waterproof inspection tool for DIY persons to look between floor joists and shared cubicles. This inspection camera has an aluminum housing head with 4 adjustable LED lights to provide you with very clear and good picture quality in every situation. With a waterproof 4-foot flexible extender cable, it can go through all the waterways of your inspecting needs. Besides, the 2.4-inch color LCD shows you the conditions of your tricky-to-reach areas. Plus, this CA25 runs on 4 AA batteries and features an over-molded pistol grip designed for ultimate comfort of use. Packed in a rugged plastic case, this RIDGID CA25 prevents all the chances of getting damaged when not used, making itself a lifelong solution for all your home inspection needs. Next up, here comes the lightweight and affordable Vividia digital inspection camera, a portable inspecting solution ideal for all general and automotive maintenance. With the 0.3 megapixel CMOS image sensor, this inspection camera shows the proper and professional grade view of your desired areas on its 2.4-inch full-color LCD monitor. Plus, it has a 100-centimeter flexible cable and a camera head that meets IP67 waterproof standards, while the 4 white LED lights let you adjust the brightness depending on the area light. Besides, this camera has a focal range of 4 centimeters to infinite with a horizontal viewing angle of D67 degrees, allowing you to cover the full inspection of your tightest spaces. In short, this Vividia digital inspection camera comes with a handhold design that is easy to use and will be a worthy addition to your tool collection. Do you have an annoying basin pipeline inspecting task at hand? Then don't wait for the plumber and get yourself the DEPSTECH wireless endoscope, a smart solution for hard-to-reach areas with wide smartphone compatibility. Coming with an 11.5-foot bendable semi-rigid snake cable and featuring a 2.0 megapixel camera, this wireless endoscope lets you capture videos in MP4 format and images in JPEG format with adjustable resolutions. Plus, its IP67 waterproof camera has an 8.4mm probe with 6 adjustable LED lights, making it suitable for different environments like dark, damp, or wet areas. One of the unique selling points of this tool is its high compatibility through the recommended app, letting you connect with your smartphone via Wi-Fi and start the inspection. In addition, it comes with a mirror, magnet, and hook that's made of premium materials and will help you shoot the trouble you detect in gloomy environments. In order to get a smart inspecting solution that has high compatibility and provides a standout vision of every type of area, you should check out this DEPSTECH wireless endoscope before buying another one. Complete inspection in a quick and easy way with the Bosch GIC120, a compact yet effective inspection camera that maintains the professional level with better visibility and comfort. This inspection device has a 120-centimeter camera cable with 3 stages of bright LED light, allowing you to inspect the most difficult places easily. while the compass view ensures a clear spatial orientation for challenging situations. To ensure an improved recognition of details, this inspection camera features a handy digital zoom and black and white function that provides better contrast in low light conditions. Plus, it comes with quick connector technology that lets you easily remove the camera cable for quicker storage. Besides, the improved ergonomics assures better handling in individual positions. So suppose you have various inspecting applications, such as viewing inside utility boxes, behind wall cavities, automotive applications, and more. In that case, you should get yourself a Bosch GIC 120 before starting the project. Now get yourself introduced to the industry-leading inspection camera, the Teslong NTS300, the most versatile and high-resolution camera that effectively levels up your inspecting tasks. This camera features dual camera lenses, one for front view and the other for side view, allowing you to easily switch between two 70-degree cameras for a total of a 140-degree view. Plus, it comes with a 5-inch HD screen with 3 times more resolution than the previous one, including a tough glass screen and a 1.5 times digital zoom. Reinforced with metal, this endoscopic camera is drop-resistant, rainproof, and is designed for all your outdoor work. Besides, a 16.4-foot waterproof cable can easily make it through tough and tight spaces. Moreover, the highest LED modes of 7 stages and long-lasting 5,000 mAh battery of this inspection device makes it exceptional in its field. With the best video resolution, image quality, viewing angle, and numerous top-notch features, this Teslong NTS300 will set up your every game in the field of inspection. So that was the list of the 5 best inspection cameras just for you.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we missed a product or should add it, we would love to know.
Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.